So I thought I would make a really fun coloring book of different pro pickleball players, and I'm using ColoringBookai, which I will show you. This is Ben John's, which I created from this image right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this PNG. Now there's different ways I could make this coloring book, and I'm going to make it in Canva. So I can just put it in here, and then I could do fun things like say some fun facts about Ben Johns, which I can fill in later. So let me show you how I actually created this image with ColoringBookai. So I'm just gonna go back to the home page. I'm going to go photo to coloring page. So here is Annalie Waters. I'm going to find a good picture of her. This looks really good. So I will save image as. Then I'll go back here. Upload. Face is unchanged. And yes, we want to remove the background and generate it. Now, then we can do is select any of these extra settings, and I'm going to generate it now so we can wait for that to come up. Okay, so let's see, here we go. That looks great. We could download the PNG. Go back to Canva, go ahead and put that in there. We can copy this over here, put Annalie Waters. And then we can do the same here. Fun facts about Annalie Waters. Let's just see what the magic writer writes about Annalie Waters so we can easily get that in. Now that looks pretty cool. Here we go. So we can have a nice little coloring book / info product on the different pickleball players. And we could continue on down the list. And we could change the order later on, but this is a great start. These pictures look really fun and great. Just something fun if you wanted to change up these images a little bit. You can always put that in there. We could see, we could remove the background, and then we could put different elements. Coloring tree, and then let's see, we could put something fun in there like a tree, right? If we wanted to in the background, whatever we want to do. We can go to tools and we can go to draw. And let's just say we wanted to, all right, let's do white and then a little weight here. We could take the background out. If you wanted to remove this coloring AI watermark, you need to upgrade your account. So that's just like some fun things we could do in the edit stage before we actually bring it over to our document here. If we wanted to do that, we could do all kinds of fun manipulations like that in regards to the image. So there are some fun things you can do with this tool that I am still testing out and working on, but you could do a text to coloring page. Let's just see how we would do this. Let's do pickleball paddle, and let's see what it comes up with. Let's create it now. Wow, that is pretty amazing. Actually, we want to download the PNG here and go back to our documents here. Welcome. Let's insert this. Make it a little bit bigger. And look at that. Isn't that fun? We can put all kinds of different images inside that's related to the topic of whatever we are doing. We can do a name coloring book generator where we could put the different names of the players if we wanted to. That's really fun in these font styles. Look at these examples down here. Oh, that's really fun, where you could just color in the text. You don't even need images. This tool does it all. I absolutely love it. I'll give you the link in the description. This is really exciting. You can create endless coloring books, especially customized ones, especially creative ones. They sell really well. So there's a lot of opportunity in this market. Easily create coloring books with this tool. This is the funnest project and way to make money that I've seen in a long time.